My Father, we gather, hearts full of grace, at your mercy throne we find our place. With humble prayers we raise our plea for your endless love to reign over me. Mercy fresh each dawn, a light so divine. We trust in your will, our hearts align. Your mercy, Lord, it lasts forever. In the darkest hour, we'll stand together. No shame can bind us, no fear can claim. In the name of love, we lift your name. Enemies lurking, they seek to instill. With faith united, we stand strong still. Let not their